So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time I will share video with. And the video we you about Fibonacci retracement tool. Fibonacci. And him say what say about Fibonacci retracement tool. Now maybe we name the and I will name and then video we maybe change you much send it here and a quan bit my use no. So trade we sell trade at BTC USD. Is Fibonacci retracement tool and the chase our trade way. Fibonacci retracement tool price action traders use to check every retracement in the market. They check every retracement in the market. It's my main example. I say when the price rise to the upside, to the downside, to the upside like this. Fibonacci retracement tool and they measure at which rate that pullback way I be do I say and send a price not buy. Sometimes the price buy out. One say a high low, I be create high or I say I be create low. And to obey that say that pullback we are buy. I be do her and I be buy. And now say I be do a hasaya and I be buy. As after Fibonacci retracement two way, and the measure baby a price drop it about and send about buy. And as the price rise about and send about fall. Before answer my main Fibonacci retracement tool in Embra, my main share numbers in a woman. Your number be our two new some numbers in the use near the pick your entries and so trade with Fibonacci retracement tool. It's a main Fibonacci retracement tool in Embra. I found two screens so then show how I be say na Fibonacci retracement tool no et here. Or the case and so no I click now I dragging akoso. Okay, so it's saying it here. Ocean numbers na a woman na your friend Fibonacci numbers. Numbers ne woman friend Fibonacci numbers. Numbers we any determine it does say be enter trade and I said that most of the time so one way what I see and then I always say little price and one sunny I draw into here one now one no and there will be a case I never so or price in and sunny I draw now zero ne what I see say will be I also will draw price need do and there zero from here make example number show zero in if I say price rise here offer kezana offer two na e was say the one to be a price in starting move no na we click na we drag o drag here with the price in do answer na e drop and I say rise na e one out zero ni beto enti sa numbers na wa say no you 0.78 Fibonacci numbers and you 0.61 you 0.5 and you 0.38 and you negative 0.27 negative 0.27 we and take profit the price buyer now you take it trader this area here no and you take profit that is where I expect the price be do and send you exit trade no now I mean sure when I be first so I be draw Fibonacci retracement to our chart and so then from there any about life example you know how I use it numbers near what I see that's 0.05 that's 0.5 way and then they pick your entries 0.5 they pick entries 0.618 the pick entries 0.78 the pick entries. If I make sure the first one pick entries and the price buy to the upside. So see yeah zoom say when the price of the assets now we trading from here by example no or chart and so know how I be applying. So when the price now once the price move every time I be create low not create high not create low not create high not create low a create higher obey down say I never be low na sana buy and I say I never be low and no any Fibonacci retracement tool into for Fibonacci retracement tool na but be a price in starting movement no or the bet two on say I make us out the one the two on or the bet two say no I click in one o click here no one drag could do your price ni do ya and sana e retrace ya ba no into be drag be do we say o drag ni be do on say no I click in one now that two o click now the one now the two on one now o train baby a price ni be retrace aba na wa pick you trade no nti question na baby say won say retracement we about to the 0.38 and answer 0.5 and answer 0.618 and answer 0.78 a total price be push it down to 0.5 and sana buy to the upside a total price be push it all the way to 0.618 and sana buy I thought answer price be push 0.78 and sana buy. The moment a price be push be break 0.78 no trade ni invalid. Fibonacci trade invalid. And sometimes price bit may push up by say and stand up buy to the upside. That is the tip, you know. I thought answer a price a bit means so up pushy if you honum. If you have say abeka and stand up buy ako etimisi. I thought answer etimi pushy from honum ebe do 0.38 and stand up buy etimisi. And nothing you use Fibonacci retracement tool. Into all the time be as a price air drop here. The numbers now price will be seasonal and sana a buy no. The same way for buy trade. So for buy trades this is how you have to approach it. All the cases are not better to be a price and start you know. Now I'm dragging it to the price you do and sana a retrace here no. Now if you watch numbers now price and baby retrace here be famous no and sana what looking for trade. Akosro. Now you call for sell trade where for buy. Now sell trade so find sell open sell trade then I'll be if you find price drop it to the downside to the downside. Now say na price in this case in the other say the material just right now no a high a low a high low a high into the other say price I be do as you know there will be a little pullback I bet you price every trace yaba. The Fibonacci retracement tool now there are two of your price do you answer and drop you know. Now I'm dragging it to the downside. Now the zero now cost your price and do you answer and push it up no. Once I make sure you say subscribe to the channel no. No comment if you have any question so the better a bit more support the channel no. And see price every trace here. Now your question is say number being a price be trace I be do so. Is it Fibonacci number of 0.38 and after 0.5 and after 0.61? If you ever do you look for rejection candles. Now, if pick your entry to the downside, where your TP is going to be 0.27, negative 0.27. That will be your TP1, and then your TP2 will target the next key level. Guys, it is a trade Fibonacci retracement tool for buy trades and sell trades. This is how I also apply. Now, from here, you can live example. Now, how I'll be to me attack on so trading live example. After you for any example, where BTC USD pair. And I win a example. No, I'm not sure how bit my trading with Fibonacci retracement too. Now your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. So you have 15 minutes. I'm not sure how bit my trading. But ocean market we are price already is in a downtrend. Price air drop it to the downside. And the first thing I also besides say trend no air coin for a downtrend and I say uptrend. Say downtrend they are all you sell trades in the market. So when price are your high, price pretty high and a drop be pretty low and a be pretty high. Now a be pretty low. The next question is will say baby pretty high and some are pretty low no. Into and be implementing what we call the Fibonacci retracement approach Into the materials is here no. You be say obey Fibonacci retracement tool at the above screen so into two in over far two now that so the price need do ya and air push no one would have told say no one dragging to where price in the do and sana retreat to this area in say now be into now we chart in so a price and starting move no so I say and a hand be do and sana amount rejection say percent retreating cost no into honum now be drop Fibonacci retracement tool I could do now your 1 hour time frame you 15-minute time frame near how our price be retreating I will do zoom. Near say price will ever react to either 0.61 and after 0.5 and after 0.38. Now you have 15 minutes. So when you have 15-minute chart, you have how a price will behave before and sana. You will say, am I a right entry and I say, am I a correct entry? Now you have now show how a price are pushing back into the zone. Now here price are pushing back into this area. Now we are looking for sell because price is already dropping. Price air dropping. A very reactive to either 0.61 and after 0.5 and after 0.38. If the price do more, you look for rejection candles before and sun I'll be taking trade from there to the area of person trade it to. Now price I'll be do zone. You hear the price by your zone. Price will be tapping into the zone perfectly. Now we look for an entry into this area here, and I'll be taking you entry. We'll be taking you entry into this area. Once the price is better into the zone, there's a sharp candle move to the downside. So a better tapping into the zone, you take your sell somewhere here, and then your stop loss will be somewhere. Your TP, the stop loss will be here, and now TP no have that negative 0.27 and a better TP1 then your TP2 be what I say. Okay, me wa other confirmation aya me hwe the price be do zone anymore. Me use some indicators be in the count. So if I say many video about everything together, but me who comment section or no. So they make my video now now betting in us. Now read the Fibonacci retracement and I want the price here. Price I be tap into the zone perfect and I say echo. Now I want the price I be hit TP you know. Price I be hit the first TP which is negative 0.27. Every time be a price hit first TP. Now you must better get it for second TP. The second TP be somewhere around here or here, guys. So it is saying na kwan be fast so person won trade Fibonacci retracement too. First of all, the direction of market in economy is it bullish or bearish? After no one drop Fibonacci retracement too, no one transfer price back into the levels. No one looking for confirmations before and some be enter trading. The person will subscribe to channel. Now a question be a comment or down below.